We've left Shropshire and we're into Wales, and we've just come through Llangollen. We spotted this abbey, or the remains of this abbey. How pretty is this? The abbey at Valcrucis, founded for the monks of the Sistine Order in 1201. It was the last of 14 Cistercian foundations to be built in Wales. The Cistercians, or white monks, were the most popular of the monastic orders in medieval Wales. You've got it? Yeah. It's a bit squelchy underfoot today. It's a bit squelchy, isn't it? Well, so much for the sunshine.
Very pretty around here, though. That is gorgeous.
It's always pretty in Wales, isn't it? Nice little detour. Maximus didn't want to look, so he's just stayed. Nice and cosy with Freya. Nice sight.
Yes, Alan. Yes, Alan. We're not Dylan now. I don't want Dylan to Good morning.
Good morning. Hey, so we're at Wrexham Road car park just outside of Chester, and Shell and I stopped here in this pretty much exact spot last time we came this way for our little day out in Chester, and it's a real nice, I know you can hear road noise now, but it's a real nice quiet park up really. By the time it gets to sort of like 10 o'clock there's the odd car going down the A road there, but otherwise it's all good. We did try to find a couple of places in Wales, and we didn't really succeed. It was hard for us because I forgot the chocks. I forgot, what else did I forget, Maximus?
A big tripod and your electric shaver.
No, I forgot my tripod and I forgot my electric shaver. But yeah, we couldn't find anywhere with level parking really for...
I'm not very surprised for walking.
We found a couple of really idyllic spots, one up by the Ponderosa where we had some tea. That was very nice there. And we had another one as well, which was just outside of Ruthin. We didn't fancy the town ones, even though it looks like you can stay for free in Mould on the big car park. The height barrier's moved now, and you can stay for free between 5 and 9 in the morning. So if you're happy for those hours, which are pretty decent, you can get on, get camped and get off. Freya, get out please. Freya's licking something on the floor.
Is Faye Wolfie sick?
But Wolfie looks like he's been on an off-road adventure.
But I'm not getting surprised for Wolfie. I keep all this prize for Wolfie.
Yeah, Maximus has been playing on Wolfie's tablet for his game, but he's not getting his prizes. But yeah, he looks like he's been on an off-road adventure. He's absolutely filthy. And we were doing a 3-pointer yesterday and just took some of the embankment with us. He's a running. It's winter. I've tried to clean the windscreens and the back windows. Obviously I've got the camera at the back anyway, I'll give them a wipe now. But we may, I don't think we're going to go into Chester. What do you think? No, not Chester today. I think what we might do is we might go and see Flint Castle and then go to our other little favourite spots. One of them in on the Wirral there at this side, either the little car park by the boat lake or the front at Hoy Lake. So we'll catch up with you in a bit. There we go, you can actually see me. I'll get good at this one day.
I'm losing his prizes, bottle jump 3D.
Yeah, you lose his prizes.
I'm not getting all his prizes on his tablet, just my phone.
See you in a bit.
See you in a bit.
No, you're not going to raid their picnic. Go on. Go on. She was off to raid their picnic. We didn't go back to Flint. Flint is just at the minute over there somewhere. We came straight onto the Wirral and we're at Riverbank Road car park. And the sun's out, but the wind is still chilly. And it's a lovely day, really. We're just up the coastal path. There's the coastal walk path here. You can walk the high ground, but it's all very, very slotchy at the moment. But just over there is where we like to spend the night. Just in the car park back up from the boat club there, the yacht club. But yeah, it's a lovely day. We thought we'd just stop here and have a drink, something to eat. Maximus doing his little filming over there. Good morning. The end is nigh. We were parked up on the front at Hoy Lake, but we were down by the lifeboats bar, and they opened up about 8, and they had a live band playing, some Johnny Cash stuff. It actually wasn't too bad, it was just very noisy. And when you were settling down for the night, it was a bit too noisy. So we moved down to here, and this is, I can't remember what this is blinking called. We've stopped here before as well last time when the storms were in, because we took right in next to the container and it stopped the wind from blowing us everywhere. So it's a bit windy again this morning, but it's nice. It's not as choppy as it was last time, and you can actually see the breakwaters. It was right up last time. So yeah, last time we came obviously was during a storm, and the sea was right up on these breakwaters and smashing into them. It's a bit calmer today. The wind is getting up now. In fact, it got up probably the middle of the night-ish. No, not in the water. She'd just be in. And it's not exactly the warmest day. So yeah, a quick walk for her, turn the van around, and that'll be the end of another little adventure, won't it?
Going home?
Yeah, we'll be going home through the tunnel. New Brighton and the lighthouse are just over there by the, round the coastline a bit. And it'll probably be a nice day. You can walk out a little bit, and if there's a bit of water still around the lighthouse, get a nice photograph. Maybe make something fine arty out of it. We're not going to be doing that today though. As Maximus indicated already, I've forgotten my tripod, so it's really windy out here. I don't know how much you'll hear, but yeah, we'll get Freya walked and we'll get back to the van. That's it then. As I was trying to say up on that bank before we got blustery blown away, that's the end of another little adventure.
We're going home?
We're going home. Back through the tunnel and over to our side of the water.